how to have your status set to show what you're doing. Like, I've been getting some questions lately. Like, sometimes my status, whenever I'm playing Microsoft Edge or whatever, it'll say playing Microsoft Edge just started or something like that under it, as if I'm playing a game. Well, to do that, I'm going to show you how to do it with these things right here. So I'm going to open brackets. I'm going to go back to Discord. You want to go to user settings. You're going to go down to game activity right here. No game detected. What are you playing? Not seeing your game, you want to click add it right here. Click this little drop down menu, and as you can see, brackets. Now you're going to click add game, just like that. Now if I exit out, playing brackets just started playing. Well, we close out of brackets here. Come on. We close out of brackets, and we go into Notepad. Open up Notepad, go back to Discord, user settings, game activity, add it. Okay, Notepad doesn't work. But we open up paint.net, which is basically what you can do. You can edit all your videos or whatever, or photos. I use this to create my thumbnails. I'll link that in the description for you guys. And you can add paint.net. And now, playing paint.net just started playing. So, let's go ahead and minimize this. And we're going to open up Notepad++. Like that. Minimize game activity. Add game. Notepad++. Now I'm playing Notepad++. Basically, yeah, same concept for all this. Microsoft Edge, we open it up. Same thing kind of happens, you know. Go in here, settings, game activity, add it, Microsoft Edge. There's the big question solved. How am I playing Microsoft Edge? And you can rename it. I can call it the Edge even. Enter. Playing the Edge. See, you can rename these. You can call them whatever you want. But I'm going to keep mine as Microsoft Edge.